subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei launched its new Enjoy series phone in China called Huawei Enjoy 60X. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Huawei Enjoy 60X features a tall 6.95-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate and up to 270Hz touch sampling support. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128/256 of 512GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Huawei Enjoy 60X supports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top center that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture along with the 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the mid-size notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a huge 7000 mAh battery with 22.5W fast charging support, and it also supports 22.5W reverse fast charging, but only on 512GB variant. On the software front, the handset runs on Android-based Harmony OS 3.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 171.6 by 79.9 by 9mm, and it weighs around 219 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Huawei Enjoy 60X has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,749 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,949 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 2,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in leather orange, leather black, silver, green, and plain black color option, and it is set to go on sale starting from May 13. So what do you guys think of this Huawei Enjoy 60X smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.